we got our hands on the soon-to-be released ThinkReality VRX headset from Lenovo. Please note that this is an early access version, so minor things might still change. The first thing that you will notice is a rather simply looking cardboard box. I actually like that Lenovo has not spent any unnecessary time and money on making it shiny. Once you open the box, you will notice that it's all packed very nicely inside. First, let's take a look at the main piece, the headset itself. Alright. So nothing surprising here. It looks just like the photos that we have seen on the marketing material already. A nice surprise is the second replacement face cover. It's exactly the same as the one in the headset as far as I can tell. Then we have an USB cable. Let's take a look. So nothing special, it's a black cable, but I think it's rather short. It's roughly 1 meter. And yeah, of course you can use it for charging, but if you want to use it for running it tethered on the PC, that's going to be too short. Then we have the controllers. They are wrapped in nice sleeves. Yeah, feels good in the hand. Nice button, feedback. There's some fine texture on the joystick. The A and B buttons are a little bit hard to press. Let's take a look at the second one. Yeah, same here. Same button feedback. Joystick also has this nice texture. There's a second menu button. So yeah, that's basically the same layout that you know from other controllers as well. And there's a nice highlight. So the right controller has the red marker and the other one is just purely black. Then we have some clips. So it looks like you can use them to adjust the cable on the frame of the headset. Oh, and there's another one. Looks the same, no left and right. And lastly, we have some manuals.